What's good, guys? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. My mission is to educate musicians all around the globe on creating music to a professional audio. I do this through my online tutorials and video tutorials, and I'm a professional producer, rapper and singer. So guys, in this video today, let me turn off the delay. I've got a beat from my Fiverr account. I've got an order to do. He's a repeat customer. He wants a song. He sent me a beat. He says, Warren, I want it to be called Alien Trap. Do something catchy, a good vibe, something that I've never heard from you before. And he sent me the beat. So obviously it's called Alien Trap. Here's the beat. So I like it. It sounds dope. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and record the hook. I've got an idea in my head. I'm gonna go with the flow and see what we come up with. Yeah. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's off the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? See, so yeah. So that sounds, how's that sound? Sound good? I'm gonna drag it down to my Chris Brown vocal preset and see how it sounds. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? It sounds good. Just the ending, I wanna tighten up a bit. So let's go again. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Alright, let's drag that down. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Do you know what I like? That I'm gonna go ahead and follow the procedure. For those of you that don't know, this is my ultimate Logic Pro recording session. You can get this from my website. It's got everything you need, all of the effects, Post Malone, Migos, distorted, all of that stuff. So I'm gonna just follow the system. I laid my center main vocal. The next thing I'm gonna lay is the full left main backing vocal and just drag it down. Excuse, there's a little bit of noise. There's some kids playing in my next door neighbors. So it's, you know, forgive me if you can hear kids in the background. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? I'm gonna drag that down. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Next one, I'm gonna record the full right main backing vocals. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toes. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Okay, gonna go ahead and drag that down again and just make sure that that I'm using the same pitch correction as I did on this track as well. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Next is it said right harmony. Follow the system. Let's go. Right harmony now. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swagger's up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Let's hear how that sounds. I might go again. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? I like that. I'm gonna go again, record actually I'm gonna put a different harmony on it now. I'm gonna do a left harmony, but I'm gonna probably go higher. So I'm gonna play it just to see if I can catch the harmony, and once I've caught it, I'll hit record. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. Yeah. Say I'm an alien tonight. I'm gonna go full octave up. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is when you alien. I'm gonna go again. I flopped the end. Let's go again. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? A little bit higher than I wanted, but let's just see how that. Let's see how that goes. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swag. Cool, I like that. I just want to do, what I want to do is I want to add a backing vocal right in the back. So I want to do like, oh, let's see if I can catch it. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to. You're gonna get it. Because it's gonna sound really echoey and you know, whoa. It's gonna sound more like, oh. Let's go. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. So I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna take this photo. I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna choose the Migos vocal for that. Only because I want a little bit of range. I just want it to be still a bit grotty. Let's see what we got. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle? See, usually with the Migos vocal preset, I don't tweak anything really. You guys don't need to either. However, I just want it to be a little bit more reverby because I want it to sit in the back of my chorus. So I want it to be really, really in the back. So I'm just adding a little bit more reverb. So that's why I'm just doing this. Let's play. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is, are you alien trap? Cool, that sounds good. So because it's an 8-bar, obviously I need to loop that. So are you alien trap? See, I'm an alien tonight, riding. So I need to pull it back a bit. It's a bit out. Let's drag it up. Just open it out and close that. See, I'm an alien tonight, trap. See, I'm an alien tonight. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship. Are you alien? See, I'm an alien. See, I'm an alien. Nearly there. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this? See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swaggers up the chain from my head down to my toe. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'm just trying to tighten up these pieces because obviously there's nothing here, so I'm just don't want it to interfere too much with the end of the verse because it's obviously overlapping. So what I like to do, if it's overlapping, I'll leave the main overlapping, but I'll bring the backings in. I leave the backings out just so it's filled with something. You should get a good balance and compromise. Alright, so we're gonna do the reverse then because there's not a lot left there. Cool. That's literally hook recorded. How long did that hook take us? About maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let's play it back from the top. See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swag is up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is are you aliens? See, I'm an alien tonight, riding in my spaceship, looking super duper fly. Can you handle this shit? No. Swag is up the chain from my head down to my toe. But I wanna know is are you alien trapped? Literally, there you have it. Hook recorded. Guys, thank you again. Hit like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more content on how to create professional audio that you've always dreamed of. Leave a comment below as to sorry, it's slipped my head. Leave a comment below as to if you feel like, you know, there's any kind of help that you need, any tips, tricks or techniques that you're trying to get a hold of or trying to grasp. Let me know and I'll teach it in the next coming videos. Also follow me on Instagram at THIR13EEN. Again, that's at THIR13EEN. And also go to my website, download my free Drake vocal preset, add it to Logic for better vocals, better, clearer, clarity, professional sounding vocals. You can also purchase some of my other vocal packs there as well. So again, guys, thanks for all your support, your comments, your likes, and all the community that we're building here. You know, this is something that I'm really proud of. I'm proud to see, guys, you know, when you guys message me and tell me, you know what, I've used your preset and, you know, my friends love my songs, or I used it at my, you know, at my school prom, you know, I've recorded vocals and I've done this and that. I'm just so happy. I'm so overwhelmed with all of the feedback, and I'm so glad that we can all, you know, create a community and move forward together. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video and take care. Peace.